Ms. Christina, first welcome to Arladi Media. Introduce yourself and share with us the importance of this conference for Somalia and the region.
Thank you very much. My name is Christina Svensson. I'm the country manager for the World Bank for Somalia. This conference really symbolizes the potential of rich and prosperous Somalia. The agriculture sector has huge potential. We know that Somalia has the longest coastline. But today, Somalia and Somalis are not benefiting as much as they can from the agriculture sector. And this conference is about building partnerships and building value chains to allow the integration into the region and to rebuild the agricultural systems in Somalia.
And what about this international meeting organized by the Ministry of Agriculture?
Yeah, this meeting is very important, I think, to have partners, investors, companies, and Somali government on the same page where Somalia is going in the agriculture sector.
Internet Plus waa adeeg ay macaamiishu ka heli karaan internet fiber ah oo xawaarihiisu yahay 20 megabytes per second. Ayna la socdaan receiver ay ku jiraan in ka badan 4,000 oo kanaal iyo 100 daqiiqado oo ah ku hadal bilaash ah.